That
Yep.
is what the one I was looking at for like a base or something.
Yeah, there's that one, and there's one directly above us too.
Oh, you guys are already there?
Okay, that's weird.
I can't be blamed for that one either.
I don't think you can blame me for that.
All right.
Alright, so we now have ourselves a dedicated public welding ship. It's very pretty, very yellow and black. Kind of like a bee. And what are we calling it? The Pelican.
Pelican?
Yes, because reasons. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to do with it until we're ready to go. Meaning fixing. Alright. That should be good.
It's
So,
definitely a fireball.
Dr. Creek, could you explain this?
Yeah, I may have turned off my hydrogen thrusters or I ran out of hydrogen. One of the two. I'm guessing I ran out of hydrogen.
Well, the landscaping team is not going to be pleased.
Yeah. Be fine.
Oh, we still have a base to drop too.
Fixed.
Alright, so the first part of the platform for our large ship is complete. Probably need about like 3 more sections of that, and we'll be good to go. Now's the time to pick on a drone.
Let's do it.
Oh, it's on the ground. Alright, hold for a second.
I kind of got a direct hit on it.
James, did you blow it up?
I may have disintegrated it.
Yeah, there's not
Sorry,
a whole
man.
lot left.
You do realize you don't think for that, right?
Yeah,
you need to set up
course,
two,
guys.
like turn off guns, like half of them.
I
or
literally.
well, his are all manual.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Is
Yeah.
on the hotbar, like
Yeah,
maybe
it's done.
only part of them.
Alright,
Yeah, James
so
took
just
in
to
the
show
board.
the projector thing. So while I was taking things back, I was like, well, let me put the projector on. So since I took damage here, you can see the ghost versions of the machine gun and the thruster are there. So it matches up with my ship. Shows me exactly what else needs to be built.
Okay.
And
Well,
there's other
that
items.
kind of
Fancy.
proves that.
Yeah, I can
So this is where we're going. Way out here in space. In case y'all didn't notice.
In
I'm
space.
In space way.
So if you're heading towards an asteroid, people, just aim slightly off of it.
Yep.
Yeah, better to pass it than become one with it.
That's right.
Yep. Fun. Who's this up here? Who am I nearby? That looks like Jason. And someone else.
It probably is
I'm
Jason.
Oh,
Alright, after getting the platinum from this rock over here that James pointed out, we're on our way back. Some 80 kilometers back to the planet. It's time to put the cruise control on and fall asleep, and I'm sure I'll just wake up in them there. Wish me luck!
boom.
Alright, so we are 60 some odd kilometers away, almost back to planet whatever we're calling this, even the platinum thing, and we're passing by Space Ice 2, and that's where they're building the our base up here in space. So who's all out there at Space Ice 2?
As in,
That's
As and last.
Creekerton and Laser Rob are there. So what you guys have built up there at the moment?
some metal parts in the solar panel.
Yeah?
That's a set.
Sexy. Well, let's hope that the base is a little bit more enthusiastic as y'all are at the moment. We'll visit there on a future trip, though. And Wang returns!
Did it crash?
Nope, didn't crash. Alright, so we have the first foot piston of our large ship. It's very nice. It's like a size 1000 or something. Very pretty. What do y'all think of the foot?
Nice foot.
Nice foot, yes.
Not really a foot person though.
We just wait until I get to do the shit boobs. So
Join
this
on,
is what they all
join
went to
on,
space
join on.
in. They put another cockpit and
Forward,
wired up for
forward,
oxygen,
forward.
and yeah, they had themselves a nice party.
Down. Tilt forward a little.
All right, time for Mingler night night.
All
Everyone's
right.
getting back in the fridge for maximum Mingler freshness.
To get some more ice.
I don't think I have any either.
I gotta check my inventory here in a second. I'm almost out of gravity, out of the planetary gravity pool. So
Yeah, it's 43,000.
Not really a foot person though.